watching BTV.
Lexaria, a leading bioscience company, is ready to change the status quo. Their patented drug delivery technology, DehydraTECH, is currently being evaluated for multiple applications, and the results so far indicate there's a lot to be excited about.
Some of the benefits of DehydraTECH are that it delivers a lot higher fraction of the drug in question into the bloodstream, so it reduces waste. It also delivers the drug far more quickly. And when I say far more quickly, I do mean it. In many instances, we've reduced the amount of time from 90 or 120 minutes down to as little as 5 or 10 minutes. That matters a lot if you're in pain or you're having a seizure. We also have evidence that we're able to cross the blood-brain barrier, believe it or not, up to 19 times more effectively.
John Doherty, the company's president and director, explains how DehydraTech works.
Generally, DehydraTech formulations are prepared with long-chain fatty acids. These are things like oleic acid-rich sunflower oil. And these fatty acids enhance absorption in your oral cavity as well as in your stomach and intestines. So basically, DehydraTech formulations piggyback on the absorption of these fatty acids, where the DehydraTech is basically using the fatty acid as the engine and the drug as the payload.
While studies into the use of DehydraTech are ongoing, the technology is already gaining traction on a number of fronts.
Two of the world's largest nicotine companies, Altria in the United States and British American Tobacco over in the UK, have established formal relationships with us, and they're investigating DehydraTech for the delivery of oral nicotine as a choice instead of smoking or combusted cigarettes. The cannabis industry has looked at us to help deliver cannabinoids, both psychoactive and non, in the oral cannabis industries. Another application is hypertension or high blood pressure. A study that Lexaria performed in 2018, we discovered that a DehydraTech processed CBD actually lowers human blood pressure, whereas generic CBD does not. So we're investigating the use of CBD to treat things like heart disease. And another area that DehydraTech is useful to deliver antiviral drugs. These are drugs that are in use to treat HIV/AIDS and are being explored to treat COVID-19 as well.
With all these possibilities, one thing is clear. The applications for DehydraTech are vast, and so is the market potential.
GW Pharmaceuticals is chasing the pediatric seizure market. It's about $1 billion market in the United States. That company just got purchased for over $7 billion. The hypertension market, in contrast, is nearly a $30 billion market. The antiviral market is a $40 billion market, and the nicotine market is a $900 billion market. So all of these areas are places where Lexaria's DehydraTech has great benefits to offer, and they're all so big as to transform our company completely.
Lexaria expects 2021 to be their busiest year for R&D, with a particular focus on the effective delivery of antiviral drugs and CBD for hypertension. The company expects to announce the results of these studies in the coming months.